guys, this is Beat Panda here, the creator of Northeast Beatbox community. So right now I'm in Guwahati, and I have already met up with my friends last night, and I was super exhausted, so I didn't do the vlog. So today is the day of the workshop. I'm with my friends right now, with Amar and Vivek. Amar is sleeping and Vivek. And last night we were like super exhausted, and we also pranked some of the beatboxers of Assam Beatbox community. And that's gonna be some of the videos that I'm gonna be adding on this vlog, but later, whatever. So we have to attend the workshop around 12, but the workshop will start at 3. So now it's already 8 AM, so we're gonna get ready. So till then, I will see you at the workshop place, and so peace out. We are all set up right now, and here are the beatboxers. So guys, are you hyped up? Yeah man, it's gonna be lit. And Gavin just went from there, so sorry Gavin for that. And so yeah, we're gonna take a Uber right now and go to the place, and gonna do the rest of the vlog out there. So we are heading to the venue right now. As you can see, all the guys are hyped up. And I don't know where Vivek is staying. I think he's staying at the girls, lah. Vivek is staying at the girls. So anyways. So yeah, we're heading to the venue right now. Spyro already called us, and he told that it's kind of a bit late right now because he told us to reach around 12, but it's already 12:30 right now because of the Uber. But that's fine, we're gonna reach soon right now. So after that, we're gonna show you the entire venue and everyone, even the main VIP guests. I mean like the, the mentors. Well, I mean the main mentors right now. So yeah, till then, peace out. We just reached the venue, but I'm waiting for Amar because he took the Rapido, so we have to wait for him. Then we're gonna enter the hall, and my friends are waiting out there. So let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, yo, bro. So we are entering the place right now. So let's see. Who the fuck is this guy, man? I don't even care about this guy. So yeah, Spyro. Our homemade vacuum cleaner, bro. What's up? Yo, no out here. Yo, what's up, bro?
Guess the beatboxer. Jungle Book.
I think our mentors are sharing photos, maybe. Who knows? Our TK King, bro. What's up, bro? Hey. What's up, bro? Hey, that's fine, man. But I just got my first copy out here. First copy.
We both have high.
Yeah, when she, like, just look at them. Just look at us. This is like Abibas, and this is like Adidas out here. Favorite sound. 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 Hey. Favorite sound. Favorite sound. Favorite sound. Favorite sound. Favorite sound. Favorite sound.
You can say I love it till you hit the ground.
তারা যদি তোমার যদি তুমি যদি হারিয়ে যাওয়া তাহলে you will make fun of yourself. You will make fun of yourself, right? So make sure that please be humble.
I've been around, I brought you down, it's true. I had some drinks and said some things to you. If I say too much, you know you're about to lose. I had some drinks and said some things to you.
Shout out to BEATBOXERS.
Okay, BEATBOXERS, ready, come on. Guys, 3, 2, 1, BEATBOX! Assam Destiny. And time! 2, 1, BEATBOX! But mine is different. Rap music. Ten seconds. This side for Bulik. This side for Bulik. And this side for Big Panda. So, results in 3, 2, 1.
Demons, folk my river garrison. You know I talk to the demons, folk my river garrison. Talk to the demons, folk my river garrison. You know I talk to the demons, folk my river garrison.
Let's have no, it's gonna be
Get my face, boy.
Cause I'm the emperor.
Beatbox.
Yes!